हाय गाइस, वेलकम टू डेज़ वीडियो। आज हम डिस्कस करेंगे एक और स्टॉक के बारे में और आपको बहुत कुछ सीखने को मिलेगा। इन दिस वीडियो वी विल ट्राई टू एनालाइज अ स्टॉक विच इज़ कॉल्ड CDSL. We'll try to understand what does the movement stands for, how is it happening, and how is it useful to you, how you can understand how the price is moving upwards and downwards as well. Why is it moving so? I'll explain all of these things in this video. So let's deep dive in. So this is the stock chart of CDSL. Again, this is not a investing or trading recommendation. Please check with your financial advisor first before any investments or trading. Now with this, it is very important to understand where is the stock right now. Correct, because if we see this is the chart which is in the month of 2019. It's a monthly these are monthly candles जो भी हम अभी देख रहे हैं, एंड उसमें आपको ये पता लगता है दैट हाउ इज़ इट मूविंग डाउनवर्ड्स एंड what is happening in the chart lately, and what happened previously rather. So if we check what happened in the month of July, there's a big down red candle which not only brought the prices down, है ना, और उसके साथ में प्राइसेस के साथ साथ हुआ क्या कि एक चैनल में प्राइस चला गया, राइट। और ये जब हुआ उसके बाद में आपने ये भी चेक करा कि जो प्राइस है ये एक पर्टिकुलर रेंज में है, और इस प्राइस को, इस जो रेंज है 124 से 109 को, इसको तोड़ते हुए इट brought into a channel, and then from there it picked it up, right? Because what happens in the first, second and third month, so in the month of August, September, October 2020, into 19, sorry, it brought up, and it is increasing prices with increasing volume. Again, an indication where the price will go up, and we just have to stay in that trend, right? Until the time there is no selling, it's better to stay invested in that section and see with this analysis what happened in the coming months. It went down, but not so much. There was a lot of buying also happening, this big volume candle, right? And always go for long term charts, guys. I've always advise the same. Do not go for intraday charts. If you're a long term investor, better to be a long term investor or at least a swing investor, so that you capture and give time to the market, right? That's a very important concept. If you do not give time to the market, the market will take away time from you, and that is why I always recommend to stay in the trend. If it's going sideways, understand where what is happening in the stock. आप न्यूज़ पढ़ सकते हो, राइट? यू कैन चेक अबाउट व्हाट इज़ हैपनिंग इन द स्टॉक, और जैसे भी मतलब आपको न्यूज़ में समझ में आती है चीज़ें, एंड एनालाइज योरसेल्फ एंड डू टेक्निकल एनालिसिस एज वेल. फंडामेंटल इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, बट डू नॉट इग्नोर टेक्निकल्स एज वेल. सो बैक टू द चार्ट. You see what is happening in this 101 or 100 के प्राइस लेवल पे प्राइस वेंट अप, ठीक है. और यहाँ से इफ़ वी मेक अ चैनल अगेन, you see what happened. Such a big move, and it was ready, because the buying has already happened over here. As we at the trade session, or on my channel, always advise that you understand what is happening in this channel, and understanding channels also help you to understand where is the price right now. So it kept on moving. You see higher prices and high volume. That means participation by big players. So that is also happening over here in this chart. Now you see what is happening, a bit of consolidation, then again big volume up, which means the price is still good to go. But here you see that it's a bit of caution. The price is increasing, but the volume over here it's gone down, right? यहाँ पे एक bit of caution हमको लेना पड़ेगा, so that we understand that not all price moves are genuine. This is also a very important concept, right? I'll also type this in. So not all price moves are genuine. That's the reality, and that's why we have to understand that importance of understanding each candlestick not just an overall picture of the market, but also its candlestick is very important. Okay, so the introduction that we have given to this topic is very important. The video is about understanding the stock chart. Today's chart is CDSL again, if people who have just joined and watching from between the video. And so what happens actually that even if the prices are going up, you stay cautious. You understand that what is happening. You see a lot of wicks are there, right? Wicks are basically these patterns of where the price hasn't stayed. So that's a candle wick, so which means that the boundary or the line that you see on top or below the candle body, right? These are called wicks, and when you see these, you always should get to know that there is volatility coming in the market. The market might be going haywire, and you can sort of be cautious with your plans. Now I want to draw your attention to this very important candle. अगर आप ये देख रहे हो, राइट, और अगर आपने ध्यान से देखा तो यहाँ हुआ क्या है. बहुत लोग ये चीज़ें मिस कर देते हैं गाइस. मैं आपको बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट चीज़ें सिखा रहा हूँ, क्योंकि दिस इज़ फ्रॉम माय एक्सपीरियंस. अब ध्यान से इसको देखते हैं, इस कैंडल में हुआ क्या. तो यहाँ पे तो प्राइस बहुत ही ऊपर भागा है ना. 750 से मतलब इतना ऊपर ये चला गया, अराउंड 800 जो भी है वहाँ तक टच करा. बट यू सी द कैंडल बॉडी, इट डिडंट मूव मच, है ना. तो जब मूव ही नहीं करा ये, तो फिर इस वॉल्यूम का भी क्या ही फ़ायदा हुआ. तो इसका मतलब क्या हुआ, क्या हम इसे एनालाइज कर सकते हैं. आप मुझे कमेंट्स में बताओ कि आपके एनालिसिस है इस कैंडल में, और फिर मैं आपको बताऊंगा कि वही यू राइट और रॉन्ग, और व्हाट यू कुड डू बेटर इन एनालिसिस. और ऐसे ही हम आगे बढ़ेंगे कि हम समझेंगे कि कैसे चीज़ें मूव करती हैं. आपका पार्टिसिपेशन बहुत बहुत ज़रूरी है. दीज वीडियोज़ आर ओनली फॉर माई ऑडियंस, एंड ऑल द लव दैट यू गिव in around subscribing and watching these videos is very important. So keep on watching. Understand these things are very critical, and if you have to be a long-term investor, it is also then again very important. So you tell me in the comment section, what do you analyze with this candle? What does this candle signify? This is what you have to tell me in the comment section. So let's move ahead. आगे क्या हुआ, प्राइस गिरा, ठीक है. विक्स भी आए बहुत सारे, बट फिर आप देख रहे हो विक्स थोड़े बहुत चले गए हैं, राइट. उतने नहीं हैं जितने यहाँ पे हम देख पा रहे थे कि हर कैंडल में ही विक्स आ रहे हैं, राइट. देयर वाज समथिंग दैट वाज गोइंग टू हैपन, एंड हियर इट इज़. हैप्पी बर्थडे टू द पीपल हु वर इन्वेस्टेड, एंड दे वर इन अ शॉकर दैट व्हाट हैपेंड, एंड नाउ they just want to get off from the market and understand that there is no return happening. It's been months and months they are stuck in this stock, and the frustration now comes in to people who are weak holders of the stock. So again, we see prices increasing, volume increasing, and then a very good cup and handle formation if you see, राइट. यहाँ से एकदम नीचे जाते हुए फिर पूरा स्टॉक आप देख रहे हो कितना ज़्यादा वॉल्यूम आया, एंड पीपल वर इंटरेस्टेड इन बाइंग दिस स्टॉक, राइट. बट देन अगेन वी कम टू अ प्लेस फ्रॉम ऑल द प्रॉफिट बुकिंग दैट इज़ फाइनली जो कल्मिनेट हुआ है वो इस पे हुआ है, ऑन दिस पर्टिकुलर कैंडल, ठीक है. एंड अगेन द होमवर्क इज़ दिस, दैट what has happened on this candle. So tell me in the comments again that इस वाले कैंडल पे क्या हुआ है, the second candle, that the stock hasn't sort of moved much, but closed back to from the 1750 to went up to 2000, then again closed back to 1750. So tell me what has happened over here, and we'll check and analyze. We'll do in the comment section some Q&A, and then sort of move forward, right. Again the price went down, वहाँ से फिर से कंसोलिडेट हुआ, और फिर देखो कैसे एक कैंडल के बाद में कैसे अपवर्ड्स मूव कर रहा है अभी, और नाउ इट इज़ एट 1544. So only time will tell that what will happen, but for the time being understand that it is very important to analyze stocks like this. so that we don't lose out on the actual thing that is happening in the market. If I show you the overall picture, the time period that we've analyzed is quite a much. Yeah, we started from this particular area when the stock was at at 100 rupees in the year of July 2019 or September 2019, and then again it has just shot up like anything. So I always say that if you're a bag holder, if you have holded the stock for a long time, it's a good stock, you're doing your technicals in place, आपके fundamentals in place है, तो क्यों नहीं you will make money. Of course आप पैसा बनाओगे, क्योंकि ये जब बढ़ेगा ऊपर तो फिर you will get that profit. But the only thing is, understand first, guys, do not jump in right here. It's years of learning that I can give, and only then you can sort of see results. So patience is very, very important in this business, in the line of business. And with patience also the understanding of the market, what is the overall picture, where does the economy stand, what does the stock do, what does the company do, first of all, why is it growing so much, what's the participation like, why people are interested. So many questions. So ask yourself before investing, ask yourself these questions. Do not stay mum on these topics. Ask yourself, take out time, sit with yourself. If you are an active investor in the market, if you want to up your trading game, I would suggest, do not waste time in checking the stock, everything. Try to analyze stocks, try to सीखो उनके बारे में, कैसे चलते हैं, how does stock moves, कैसे मूवमेंट होती है और कैसे चीज़ों को आगे बढ़ाते हैं. तो विल क्लोज इट ओवर हियर गाइज. आई होप आपको ये वीडियो अच्छी लगी होगी. प्लीज़ एक बार सब्सक्राइब बटन वो आपको दिख रहा होगा, वो प्लीज़ प्रेस कर दो. And leave your comments as well. Tell me what is the feedback for this video, how do you like it, and any constructive feedback is always welcome. Moreover, if you like the video, also go and like the video, push that subscribe button, and tell me in the comments as well, guys, that what video do you want next, because I'm also planning to give out series about different concepts of the stock market, be it investing. Also, I'll start a playlist, and soon you will see the channel also has playlists on markets, tech, case studies, etc. So there's a long term plan. Let's see कैसे वो जाता है और कैसे उसको हम आगे एनालाइज करते हैं. Tell me in the comments how do you like the video, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you so much for your time and patience. You have a wonderful trading journey ahead, investing journey ahead. Thank you.